Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix black screen Discord stream. Chapter 1. How to fix black screen Discord stream adjusting access. To start, right-click on Start and select Task Manager. In the console, select the Discord process. Click End Task to close it completely. After this, enter Discord on the search box. In the menu, you select Open File Location. At this point, right-click on Shortcut and choose Properties. Now go to the Compatibility tab. In this section marks the box, run this program in compatibility mode for, and select Windows 7. After this, mark the box, disable full screen optimizations, click on Apple and OK. Chapter 2. How to fix black screen Discord stream from app. To start, open Discord. Here, click User Settings. The first thing you will do is go to the Voice and Video section. Check that the OpenIT264 video codec is enabled. After that, disable the switches, use our advanced technology to capture screen and use an experimental method to capture audio from applications. Chapter 3. How to fix black screen Discord stream updating driver. To start, right-click on Start and select Devices Manager. Now in Display Adapters, right-click on the driver and select Update Driver. After this, click on Search automatically for drivers. Wait for this process to end. Chapter 4. How to fix black screen Discord stream reinstating the app. To start, from the Start menu, open Settings. You are going to Apps and then to Installed Apps. Then click on the 3 points in Discord and choose to uninstall. You must confirm this process. Wait for the application to uninstall. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Now go to the link that we leave in the video description. Click Download for Windows. When you download the file, click on the and you must click on Run. Wait for Discord to be installed on the PC. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.